But the elephant in the room was not mentioned. You heard the Attorney General talk only about Akonta mine. The Attorney General has referred some politically exposed persons to the Iyoko. We've not heard anything about that. There are some politically exposed persons that we, the Ghana Coalition Against Galamsey, have petitioned you about. We've not heard anything about that. There are some chiefs that are complicit in it. So let me read just a short bit of what our ask is. Our ask is that given the unprecedented crisis and the fact that our demands are clear, we ask you, His Excellency, to clearly tell us in granular definition, your granular definition of success in the fight against Galamsey. Also share with us very definitive roadmap that would include key milestones and timelines and how we're going to get there. We believe that the work that has been done by EPA and all about the level of heavy metals in our water bodies, the turbidities that have gone above 98,000 NTUs, and my brother, the scientist, that report he shared with us, unfortunately, for all of us who are scientists, we know that this is not how you measure water quality. We know that that's not how you do it. You need to deal with the seasonalities. You need to deal with what the water quality index is, what you should be sharing with us and telling us what is it that we've been consuming as a people. And all of us, our lives are at risk. Our lives are at very risk. So we ask that His Excellency, you also tell us what benchmark would compel you to invoke the state of emergency, which you term is your last resort. We believe that the state of emergency is critical to carrying out some of the things that the minister has spoken about, to deal with the ecocidal genocide that is being perpetuated against all of us as Ghanaians. We also ask that the fast-track court that is being mentioned, timelines be put to them, and then the key things be also mentioned. What are the key performance indicators that have been given to our MCs, DCs, police commanders in areas where Galamsey is still going on? And what are the consequences for failure? Because we see a lot of them failing, but nothing is happening to them. We also ask that the chiefs, that some of them that are doing good work, and the examples of them, Mampong, Gemma, and there's a community where they have a water body called...
Dr. Shigbe, not to rush you, because of time, I would kindly ask that you wrap up, so that...
Okay, I would wrap up. Yeah. So our quest is that the chiefs, anywhere that Galamsey is going on, the chiefs are either acquiescing or they know something about it. Those lands be confiscated, and the chiefs be investigated for complicity. There are also some communities that are currently fighting Galamsey. The AG at Ronso, for example, the AG should discontinue those cases against the community members who are fighting this on our behalf. And then finally, the last one is the issues around accountability measures. Ghana Water Research should be publishing the quality index of water that is coming to all the treatment plants. The president should also commission a group to be doing food quality tests and publishing that to all of us so that we are sure that we are not consuming poison. And we will submit this document to
traffic ain't a quick from hey, I send Ben, you Ghana, sit I am funny here. And I'm saying, and you want one, and you want one, and you want one, and you want one, and you want one.
All right, so some video. This is 2024. You quite got so a few months you got NDC 4 led by Sami Jenfi. Omuko Krom Omako Science Yobi. See na do danko akufuado nsuo nti nkofo no oba mo musika se mo ton nsuo no wo traffic mu ebusia ene ye bisa se galamsey no ekosi sen ene ye bisa se galamsey no ekosi sen na ema na mu ye disika be ma mu e wo traffic mu a yesi mu koto sa nsuo mu tom sa nsuo no omo wa hensisi ya ebusia. Are they still in the country? These people, these women that they have given money to do that thing in the traffic. NDC for the show power. NDC for they have done a lot of unbearable things just to win power. Into power now, you see power the NDC for pre 2024 do and die. Anka, like Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. I'm bambo until I catch him say, okay, yes. When him say we lose like the unlike what President John Dramani Mahama has done in 2016 and 2020. If Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia were to be like what the same thing President John Dramani Mahama did in 2020 and 2026, on best or be accept defeat one or see or babonti be catch say one fraud be say one congratulate you be me see if Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nka wan bambo ntia menye sana nka de besi ukrom ha no because these people were hungry for power. I said umitina opposition like come into they are doing everything possible in they are ready, they are calling out, they went all in just to win power. And then me bisa say ma we mu a ye dis ka we be chemu ye dis ka we be ma mu say mu konye sa na ma we ene galamsey nsuo no ene de asenkran bomo ayedin say mu ankasa na mu kopɛ say mu pɛ say ma we mu say enukure say mu pega na yie ena mu ankasa mu kɔ baby a galamsey nsuo wo na mu kɔ sense na galamsey nsuo no a package e dia babontin traffic mu say mu ton. I dare you people again say mu cause baby aya na mu kɔ yes the same thing and do the same thing if you love Ghana. Say nya sika na edi ma mu be yes anyama na me see I dare you people should do it again under this government and see what they will do to you. Me see e mana ye di sika be che mu say mu kɔ yes anyama no e wo traffic mu mu di no smiles, be the no smiles because they don't want their face to show. No, me patron be besides say are they still on the streets? Still pure sa galam say nsuo no mun ko se bibra na mun beton e wo traffic mu na ho na enu na ene mu bre no ene ye nyina ye brebi ye nyina ye tinemu se si amene ukasa ye doom light no ya e say doom muka say bo ye ya shemo pa mo ko fan nsuo no mo di nsuo na bre mo wo hono e discabi 300 bi memo amu koye sa nyama no ene bisa se ni amu koye no ene e hot say if you people did that thing say mutumi yes anyama no because mu pese Ghana nko yenti a mesre mu say mu sanko baby amuko sa nsuo na mu sam the same water no bra na mu beton na ye nhye na kama e wo homo bia na me shira bia.
Well, now no da mampen on it the Oboni Central for shining come bomro say yenya ehu nipa binim de say Akonta mining o nyina won nsem no wo no onne aban e wo mrani meti sen e kwose
Roma men so semra and the means so mambra oman ayade a me da bia me wo lease ni ade nyina no me de ababa chiramo na se me de men ko me ne company mining company wo Ghana meti me lease eni ade nyina no me de akere me dwen se obia no asoye ya ya hyehyɛ de to hɔ a etimi boa ema omoye processes na se etimi ma unya lease e minerals commission na minister na sign the amount musa minerals commission say Akonta mining o lease na so o lease it is me lease me inform so na say me aya Akonta mining aya bia Akonta mining galamsey for aya matuma pepre awo ho but ukoshe said ye machi aje ayiwa ho se akra me no ka say my fa we fa so mate say yes say mate say it's allegation but mate say DC or what and kwa galamse fo akogu Akonta mine so a masa se so a se omu ye adwuma eti mama o makọ akọ report no police station and me mo matwitwa pictures to know the people no aye se see am no kasa Akonta mine there is a galamse a safe site in the posu CCA to me pass akwanya we so no matter the report it's an open report it will be ko ye we a now the be say won to me a no what I say, see, I mean, no, say, of course, I'm a boy, the concession, I am legitimate, and the Amamino. See, I mean, no, say, and this if only be was so. Omo ye galam say, see, me minor concessions. See, I mean, no, say,
I see.
But the group is 6, this group, and it is more so 6 years.
Now, what my opposite for I aware.
And I'm saying, my mayor report to eti ya wo sister yemu a yeguso a mabobe lawyer mane ene ade eye a yeguso a the advice of my lawyer ye de I was say ye bia but woni make us any no I was say me pakonya iso say ya omo wo so mu jaya na so mu free ho a ombenya omo fa hodie eno ene ade a me kan ho asem sisi
okay
it's see me no ka say yinim se DNI NIB, Omo, NIB for that's a national security for as a match I want to make can say the concession Yako, Akonta mine, there is a galamse there. It is a Obiya galamse now the Beshamia. Is it fair? Is it fair? This is idea me beside one.
yeah but Maslow can what you carry
About that say
Maslow Shane what you carry cars no
my anya no crow. Aya na niama bebre no. Aya na me pese me yi ano ani ade ayi. O man provide krata. O man aya na journalist for. Aya na duru baby a. Obuo ni ani die kwaso. Osumu. Aya na duru baby ye a. Aya na munhia de. People na ka no. Man mfa na no say emfa ma. Onfa krata a express wuntumi ababeje minim se masolo penye obi a atane say
Jina Sumame the chief executive officer of the microfinance and small loan center
executive na sam no wo kan ntro na wo kan no to tini masama me kan say o ti say wuntumi ana baaye ana no so the cars amame ye a on fama me women come as a move. But
also government vehicles, government vehicles.
So see what crata here, some mechano, ya some mechano. Or see what crata. I am me wound to me and my ya. Oh my dear, say, Obi will me see. And now Coco J. Cardi no the bar me see. And you mean of the Coco J. And to me, and almost forever cut me say. Are you for Omoba Missy, but Omoya Oma to date no. And I'm so adentia, and I'm so be with you or J. Maxlock. Then the panel crown over 2 feet. But for so a jackass, no, and I'm so mummy mano. Now I'm on former cast. For my Omoco, no. Now I'm up from a land cruiser at the court. Says Yamino Casay. We are dealing with it. Maxlock, Moma Land Cruiser.
When you saw now because oh yeah what is right and I'm asking you say
forest there anumu forest there me nya adwuma wo forest mu da ko ja say I no credit ma apply I no credit ma apply concessions because me who say other companies need be apply concessions that were forest so me so me gana ni it me so me apply bi ana abre no the bibia wie na ka se omode lease ne be mame na me hu se galam safe akọ ana me yes me stop it ana mo se mame nko na omo ma forest for no ahwe so free that time no be pem ho no me see Wobio is in the hands of Forestry Commission. And you know, the man Penina Kanya, you know, yes, support some renua bonini ho. It is our sit Maubiano and sub Maubiano and comfort more. No, declare her as a military zone. Ya bonfire the man. Now you have a military for as I say. So kind. I Bible no say kokobo. Or say Abraham and Penina Akaino. Or say the one no one quanko ye Jumano Sadi is here. Let's be this year Ghana for baby sam. That's so and that's a walk. That's a to be born ye. A buy ye. Let's a bunny ye so. And also Ghana for any Yakupon a bishop. And Abra Oman Penin at the Abasa, a military for and a diabay. Obian himself military for responsible people, they are very disciplined people, and so we pray for them. They are at the Oman Penini Cadiano, and also a dear Sumpia Baba, Rainy Adia, Miss Mitimiaka.